मैं मिसेस के सहजी फर्स्ट ईयर गणित की सभी छात्राओं का लालबाग गर्ल्स इंटर कॉलेज के यूट्यूब चैनल पर फिर से एक बार स्वागत करती हूँ। आज मैं आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में कुछ प्रोजेक्शन फार्मूले समझाने जा रही हूँ जो इस प्रकार है। यदि किसी ट्रायंगल ABC में 3 साइड्स और 2 एंगल्स गिवन हो तो हम उनके रिलेशन को इस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं। ये ट्रायंगल ABC है, इसकी साइड्स हैं स्मॉल ABC, तो हम प्रोजेक्शन फार्मूला लिखेंगे A इज इक्वल टू B cos C प्लस C cos B एंड B, द साइड B is given by C cos A plus A cos C and side C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A। इन फार्मूलों की हेल्प से हम कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स भी करेंगे। ध्यान से देखिए। एग्जाम्पल, इन एनी ट्रायंगल ABC प्रूव दैट B प्लस C cos A प्लस CA प्लस A cos B प्लस A प्लस B cos C दिस इज इक्वल टू A प्लस B प्लस C। टेक लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दैट इज इक्वल टू B प्लस C cos A प्लस CA प्लस A cos B प्लस A प्लस B cos C। Open the brackets, B cos A plus C cos A plus C cos B plus A cos B plus A cos C plus B cos C. Write in this way, A cos B, take A cos B plus B cos A within one bracket, C cos A plus A cos C within a bracket and B cos C plus C cos B within a bracket. And from the projection formula you know that A cos B plus B cos A, that is equal to side C cos A plus A cos C, that is equal to side B, and B cos C plus C cos B, that is equal to A. Then you have C plus B plus A, or you can write A plus B plus C. This is the right hand side. Thus the question is proved. Now see example 2. In any triangle ABC, prove that A sin B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C cos A by 2. You know the sin rule, sin A बटे A is equal to sin B बटे B is equal to sin C बटे C, or you can write A upon sin A is equal to small b upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C, that is equal to K. Say this is equal to K, then you can write A is equal to K sin A. A is equal to K sin A, B is equal to K sin B, C is equal to K sin C. Then from the question, see the question, you have to prove A sin B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C cos A by 2 and take B minus C but A. Put the value of B, C, A. B is K sin B and C is K sin C, and write small a is equal to K sin A. Take K common and cancel it. You have sin B minus sin C upon sin A, and you know the formula of sin C minus sin D, that is equal to 2 sin B plus C by 2 sin B minus C by 2. Applying that formula and write the formula for sin 2A, that is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Therefore you can write sin A as 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Take 2 cancel and you will get only cos B plus C by 2 sin B minus C by 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. And in triangle ABC you know that sum of three angle is equal to 180 degree, that is pi. Therefore B plus A you can write pi minus A by 2. So cos pi minus A by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2 minus A by 2, and that is cos 90 minus A by 2, that is equal to sin A by 2. Put this is equal to sin A by 2 pi and sin B minus C by 2 upon sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Sin a by 2 is cancelled by sin a by 2, and you have b minus c बटे a is equal to sin b minus c by 2 upon cos a by 2, and cross multiply it, you will get a sin b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c cos a by 2. The question is proved. Thank you.